Yo, first order of the day is gonna be a McDonald's. This is $7 going about 5 miles.
Hey, good morning. What can I get for you? Okay, last window, please.
Did say last window.
Hello. Have a good day.
Said last window. Of course this one needs a pin. Downstairs to the right. Zero 07?
Yeah.
Perfect, there you are. Have a good day. Oh, and he just now messaged me asking, are you at the right place? Good thing everything is recorded, huh? Took his directions exactly, stood outside that door, and they came outside without me knocking. They gave me the correct pin, so hopefully that scam works out for you, buddy. And they just messaged me again saying, where are you? I didn't get my food. Oh, you're funny. Funny guy, this guy. Anyways, next order just came in. This is a Black Rock coffee, $6 going about 3 miles. Door's locked. That's amazing. And the car just beat me in the drive-thru. That's really cool.
Hi there. Okay, I'll see you up here.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Next up is a Muchas Gracias. This one is $10 going 6.5 miles. This is a 7-Eleven pickup. I think this is alcohol. This one is $10 going 8 miles. Got the next order right away. This is a Starbucks, $6 and change going about 4.5 miles. Thank you. Have a good day. You too. This is a stack going to the same person. We've got a shop and deliver for Safeway and McDonald's. 4 miles, 3 items? Yeah, 3 items.
Signature Cafe. From gourmet creations to pantry staples.
All right, McDonald's is right across the street, so should be ready by the time I get there.
All right.
Thank you. This is a Starbucks, $7 going 7 miles. Thank you. Next order up is a Jack in the Box. This one is $9 going 4 miles. Got a Taco Bell. This one is $6 going 6 miles. What happened to your screens?
Oh yeah, they actually came like this.
Next up is a stack going to the same customer. We've got Wendy's and Sherry's. Haven't been there in a while. This is $12 going 7 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
Here's Nicole.
Thank you.
Which one you here for?
Next up is a stack going to the same person. We got Burgerville and Black Rock Coffee, $8 and change, going 5 miles. Thank you. You too. Next up is a grocery pickup. It was originally 3 different pickups, but I unassigned 2 of them and only kept 1. Thank you.
Yep, have a good day.
You too. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol. $13, going 6 miles, 2 items. All right, let me call it before they start spamming me with trash. Current time is 10:06. Total ended up with 121. Pretty good. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.